going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I want to let you know that my program is still on a massive discount. If you want to get involved, just go to this link right here, rorfx.com, and then when you check out, use code FX1 and it'll give you 15% off your order. Okay, so let's dive into the markets, guys. I want to show you guys what I'm looking at here for US30. Very nice day. I gotta really break it down because today was a beautiful day. Overall, I'm gonna start off on the minute 5, then we'll go to the minute 15 if we need to. But overall, we already were in an uptrend prior to New York session. During London, we were in an uptrend, just nice. And then we had the market open right here. So this long candle to the downside was the market open. This is obviously the false breakout right here. So everyone sees this momentum going to the downside and like, bruh, it's dropping. They're selling. They're probably in profit. But a lot of people, they're trying to get the biggest bag they possibly can get. And that's why I tell you guys, when you're trading, really just have a set pip count that you're going after. Have your goals already set in place. So we had this nice drop right here. And then right at the Brinks time, 6:45, we saw a nice bullish candle come out. And this is where you got to kind of be patient sometimes, guys, because when you see that quick sudden move, that is not the overall move. The real slow move, that's the actual move that's happening in the market that you guys want to catch. That's a long and steady move. So right here, we have that quick move to the downside. Then right here at 6:45, this candle that closed at 6:45, we had a nice bullish candle close. Now I knew that it was going to go up after this point, because this candle right here, the body of it engulfed the previous 5-minute candle right here. We have a big bullish candle. So with me, this is where I took a buy position right here. I'm going to play it out for you guys and everything. This is my psychology behind it. So I was like, all right, we're going down. I don't really see a good entry candle, but boom. Then what do I see right here? Right off the bat, V pattern. Okay. And then I'm like, do you know what? Looks like the stochastics are a little oversold too. Let me go in a long position. Obviously, the risk was a little higher on this trade. So I said, you know what? My risk is about 700, 800 pips. So I'm going to have a smaller lot size here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just target my TP right here at this golden zone. Or my psychological level right here of 3, 4, 500. That's exactly what I did. I was like, all right, that's a good level because it's most likely going to hit that without a doubt. And within a couple of candles, there we go. We have that first rejection candle. And this is where I got a lot of confirmation on this trade because I saw this spinning top come out right here. And I was like, all right, perfect. What I really saw that gave me that confirmation too is if we look, we have this candle with a long wick to the downside. We already had the candle previous to this one was already bullish. So we're already with the bulls. We're buying. And this candle just gave us a lot more confirmation. So if I play it back, we can see the next candle, boom, nice burst of energy. Okay, kind of messing around a little bit, and then boom, our TP was hit right there. Now, this is where you got to be patient because a lot of people, they probably would have saw this candle right here and like, it's going to drop, it's going to drop. But usually when you see a doji or any type of reversal candle within the actual trend, how it's already going up right here, like if we saw a doji right here, or let's say we saw the doji right here, that would have been a good time to sell. But overall, since we saw the doji, it was already like between these bullish candles right here and it was already pushing up, that wasn't going to do anything for the markets. So literally within 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes, it hit the TP for 1,000 pips. So that's the trade that I took today. I kind of want to just go back over the market and see what happened after that. Like I tell you guys, that I like to be in the markets. I like to just be in and out of the markets real quick. I don't like to stay too long. And I do have a time limit. So 8:30 is where I end the trading for the day. And my trading days are Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Wednesdays are really choppy for me, so I avoid them. And Fridays I usually don't trade, especially on the first Friday of each month because that's when NFP is, non-farm payroll. So take note of that. It's the first Friday of every month is non-farm payroll. Okay, after that, it did just continue its trend to the upside, did break this resistance that it was holding. And that was a big resistance point. This 3, 4, 500, that psychological level was a major point of resistance. It tried to break right there during London, tried to break right here, and then it just went down at the open of the New York session. And then finally we were able to break right here. And once it hit it, it rejected it and then finally broke through, had a little consolidation throughout this zone and then finally broke through it. So overall, it was a really clean day. This was just a 5-minute chart right here. Let's go to the 15-minute. Okay, honestly was kind of choppy on the higher time frames, I'm not going to lie. That's why it's nice to trade on lower time frames like the minute 5 so you can see exactly what's going on. Okay, so here is the reversal candle right here at 7 a.m. the 6:45 to 7 a.m. candle. I definitely would have took a position right there if I was on the minute 15. Wrote it up, but honestly there would have been a fat stop loss because if we enter a market execution, our stops would have been 1100 pips. Not too fat, but still. I like to go for at least like a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I would have gone for like 2,000 pips. So let's see if it would have amounted to 2,000 pips. Yeah, it didn't even go to 2,000 pips, 1,700. So the day still is young. It's only 9:52. The session is still going. We could see another big push up, especially looking at this previous minute 15 candle right here. We could probably see it push up a lot more. So that's the daily analysis for US30 today. Really didn't do too much. Let's look at daily FX. Maybe it might pull up the news and show us today what happened. Okay, this is where I like to see the market sentiment, like what other people are doing. Wall Street is US30. So we can even see right here that this is what you guys need to look at. Whatever more people are doing, you want to do the opposite. So 50% of trading books are going short. And then 46% of people are going long. So more people are bearish, but if we look at the chart right here, it's bullish. So you kind of always want to do the opposite of what the majority of people are doing. Like I said, guys, if you want to start trading, you want to learn from me, check out my website, roarfx.com. That's where you guys can get involved in my program and get started trading. Also, if you guys have questions, follow me on Instagram. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.